Hi everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today, I would like to show you one of our hot-selling valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, is the outside package's blue VCI roast back. Here, this is the label. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt brand. And the product code is F00RJ02506. For the logo label packages, etc. And we can support a customized service. Then let's check the inside product. Transparent bottles can be better avoid some damages during the transportation, and the one layers of the oil paper can be wrapped up. Each product we Shumatt supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, you have the quality guaranteed. Any of our customers, if you are not set with the quality, return or exchange. For this valve assembly, it's applicable for 044512019 and applicable for vehicle cars Cummins. The valve cap there with coating figures here. And this is the valve rods. If you want to clean the whole valve assembly, clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. So much for this one. At last, more details please focus on our channel and feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!